In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by tapping on Settings and selecting Bluetooth right away. Then click on this switcher at the top if it's not already on and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!